Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution for different tasks on the Azure cloud. Right now, today we shall discuss the CD section for the React.js CI/CD. All videos are prepared by certified Azure DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word DevOps King. You will find the channel. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today in lecture 15 we shall discuss the CD section of React.js. So we shall start from our previous lecture. The next step is when we click the plus button, we shall get the interface like shown on the right side. Or simplicity, you can search for the web. When you search for the web in the search box, you will find the Azure web app. Click the add button. After click, you will get the interface like this one. Now, first of all, you will provide the subscription ID for your account. After that, in the app type, there are two type of app. One is Windows app and other is Linux app. So you will provide the app type according to your selection. After that, the app name. The app name is the name that you will write during the creation of the Azure web app in my previous lecture. And the last one is in the last one we shall provide the content of our build in our pipeline section. When our pipeline section builds successfully, our all content come to in the zip folder. So in the next, after the successful build, we get the CD section, the successful of deployment. After the deployment, we get the successful indication in the CD section. There are some few things that we need to consider during the CI/CD. The one thing, if you want to make the build continue, we need to check this box. Enable the continuous integration. It means that when our CI section continuously successfully build, it will trigger the CD section automatically. So we shall select this one, and after that we shall select the branch name, and in the last one is the path filter. Path filter means if your code is lie in the web section, that you will indicate the folder, web folder, so that when there is a change in the web folder, your CI/CD triggered automatically. In the next one, the last one is if you want that you need fresh code every time your CI/CD triggered in the CI section, you click on the get source section. After that, you provide the true parameter. Clean true means when your CI/CD triggered, previous code will be deleted. And after that, select the source and output directory. It means that it will clean the code in the source and on the output directory. So this is all the configuration that we need during the CI/CD. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by DevOps certified engineer. Wish you good luck for your career.